I can't believe I actually did that. Again. I'm so glad Silen did not see that. I cannot even get any items either. Well, at least we can go to the void now, at least. Like, right away. As soon as we get into that area, I'm gonna need to get more mushrooms. Otherwise I'm gonna lose. Oh, excuse me? What the F? No! No! I'm so dumb! I am so... Oh! Why am I so dumb? I went through the portal right away! I wanted to go to the void. The run is ruined. I'm such a derp.
Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.